Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Rarats. How about making a beautiful and rare pen stand this week? Yes, we are going to make a beautiful twin pen stand with a hidden safe. We need cardboard, A4 size paper, pencil, a pen cap with a clip, a pair of scissors, glue, some thin cardboard and color pens. Take a thin cardboard and roll it around any circular object. I am using a glue bottle here. Mark the point at which the cardboard completes a single roll. Use a cutter to remove the extra portion. Roll it again and apply glue and secure it properly to obtain a circular tube. Use this tube as a reference to make another circular tube of bigger diameter. You can simply mark a line, apply glue within the line and stick it in the form of a tube. Make the larger tube 2 cm shorter than the smaller one. Remove the extra portion using scissors. Make sure that the smaller tube slides easily inside the larger one and there is equal gap on both sides. Take the shorter one and draw an inner rectangle by leaving 1 cm on each side. Repeat the same thing for the larger one too. Cut out this inner rectangle by using scissors. You can get back the tube into its original shape by passing it through the circular reference object. Make sure that the inner one slides freely within the outer one. Take another thin cardboard and draw a line approximately 5 cm from one end. Apply glue within the line and roll it to form a simple tube of very large size. Take an A4 size paper and make your own design or the design shown in the video. If you are not able to make this handmade design, you can also use color papers or paints. Let us stick this design paper to all the tubes made till now. You can add whichever designs you like. Let us cover the smaller tubes also. Color the remaining white region using red marker. Remove the clip of the pen cap and keep it aside. Take these tubes and insert one into another. And now let us stick this pen cap to this outer tube. This helps as a handle for our hidden safe. Finally, we have made 2 larger tubes and a hidden safe arrangement. Place this larger tube on a cardboard and draw a square shape and cut it out. Make 2 such squares. Take the hidden safe and attach it 2 cm from the top of the larger tube by using glue gun. Make sure that the upper tube slides freely over the lower one. Now apply glue this side and attach it to the other tube. Make sure that you are exactly placing the hidden safe between the 2 tubes. Again, see that the outer tube slides freely over the inner one. Put this larger tube and draw the outer edges in order to form a circular shape on the cardboard. In order to make the circle more proper, mark the center of the circle and use a compass to obtain a perfect circle. Cut out a circle and a semicircle in a similar manner. Now take the circular shape and put holes in it using a pencil. Also make sure that you put 2 smaller holes and larger holes. You can also use a punching machine in order to make these holes. You can make 10 to 15 holes and enlarge these holes by using a pencil again. Finally, color these 2 squares green and the 2 circular portions with red color. Now take one of the larger tubes, apply glue by using a glue gun and attach the base to it. Oops, the other way, because the green side should be the topmost side. Do the same thing on the other side also. Now attach this circular shape and semicircular shapes on both these tubes by using glue gun. Finally, we have a hidden safe and a holder for keeping your favorite pens and one for keeping color pens and brushes individually. What's next? The hidden safe. Want to know what I'll be keeping in my hidden safe? My money. What did you keep in your hidden safe? Comment below. So this is a beautiful twin pen stand with a hidden safe in between. Don't forget to like and share this video, and do check out our previous videos and subscribe to our channel Rare Arts for more updates.